Hey guys, so we got our stimulus check deposited to our account, so we're gonna invest that into our M1 Finance account today. It's that $600 stimulus. Who knows if we'll get the $2,000 stimulus later on, but I'd rather invest it than, spend it on stuff I don't need. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in our Investing RS account. There's our pending trade. Even though it's pending, we still get to invest it right away. Our trading window, we're going to use our afternoon trading window. This is my portfolio with M1 Finance. You can see most of it is Tesla. So Tesla makes up for a lot of the gains in this portfolio. So you can see on the weekly, we're up above about $300. So I'm not doing great over the past week. And then our monthly, we're up almost $1,000. Again, a lot of that has to do with Tesla. It makes up for, some of the bad picks. This portfolio is weighted about 50% Tesla, then some store capital, Gold Realty, the REITs. I really like the REITs, ARCG, Workhorse. It's a mix between, growth stocks and dividend stocks. And then if we zoom out to our yearly, up about 4,800, so not too bad. I started this profile right around when the pandemic hit, so it was a good time to start investing. So you can see I'm up about 268% in Tesla. If it wasn't for this buy, I would probably not be doing too great. So there's 4 stocks that I'm going to buy with this $600. One of them was going to be Walgreens, but I decided to go against it when I saw that it was up on the daily. And instead I went with probably a lesser known Tattooed Chef. It's a vegan food company. They have a ton of products that you probably don't know them for. They have a Costco partnership, and they're going to be going into a lot of different stores in North America like Target, Walmart, places like that in 2021. So we're going to dollar cost average into Tattooed Chef. Hopefully build a pretty big position. This is definitely something that I can see at least 100% gains in, if not 200 or more. So we'll put that order in. Another one is AT&T, or no, actually Dropbox. So Dropbox is a good one. It's down. It's one of those stocks that really hasn't recovered since the pandemic hit back in March and the stock market crashed. So it's still a good buy. Anything under 25 for me really is a pretty good buy. And now we're going to get into AT&T. AT&T is one of those communication companies that still hasn't recovered. Has been woefully mismanaged over the last few years. Hoping to turn it around though and build a position in them. They have a really good dividend payout, so that's good. Slow growth, but good dividend. Here's Workhorse. I bought some of this off of this video, but it's not here in this video. What we did invest is the ARCG fund. For genomics, this is another thing that probably is going to gain traction due to the pandemic and, trying to edit out those genes that are susceptible to viruses and things of that nature. So this is what we're investing in: Tattooed Chef, Dropbox, AT&T, and ARCG. Again, this is all money that I wouldn't have had that came from the stimulus check. Hopefully in the future we get the $2,000 stimulus check, and then we can invest more and grow this portfolio larger with M1 Finance. I really like M1 Finance because it stops me from over trading. But hey, if you guys like the video, if it gave you some ideas on what to do with your stimulus check, go ahead and like the video. Let me know if you're investing with your stimulus check, if you think that's a bad idea. Luckily, I'm in a position where I'm still working, so I don't really have to worry about it. And this is probably going to help me build